when you think about it, we launch our boats in salt water, park the trailer, go out, spend a day on the water while that salt is just working its magic on all of the metal parts of our trailers. Well, this is a 1.5-minute procedure that I am doing now using an inexpensive garden sprayer with the wand removed. It's filled with water. Sometimes I will add a salt away solution to the container, and I spray the wheels, hubs, undercarriage, springs, and the axle. That way the salt is minimized, if not completely removed, from the metal parts, and it doesn't sit there and bake on the trailer all day while I'm out on the water. I also do this procedure when I return back from a day of fishing or being out on the water. It's not quite as convenient with the boat sitting on the trailer, but you can still get to the hubs, wheels, and springs for that trip home, especially if you have a long drive. This is real time, as you're seeing. It only takes about 1.5 minutes in total, and I'm really hoping that it will greatly extend the life of this trailer. Hope it gives y'all some ideas. Wishing everybody bent rods and tight lines.